with the sponsors, because without sponsors, you don't have free events, right? It's a Saturday morning, they're sponsors. Hello, little lady. What are you doing out here?
Just hustling donuts and insurance.
Hustling donuts and insurance. The new generation is coming in the house. What company are you with, Danielle?
American National Insurance.
American National Insurance.
Yes. We do auto, home, life insurance, business cars, classic cars. So that's kind of why we're out here. We have a niche in the classic cars. We do stated value, so it's a really great program.
And now back to your regular program.
Melanie from Headlights and Tailpipes, and this is Duane. Duane, what's the story with this Porsche?
It's a 1975 Porsche 911S. I got it as a car that had been sitting around for 20 years in some guy's garage in Phoenix, and I've kind of resurrected it and have a lot of fun with it.
Now, when you say resurrected, what exactly does that entail?
Fuel, a full fuel system reboot.
Okay.
So I completely rebuilt the top end of the motor, all new injectors, seals, all that kind of stuff. I've done a lot to the car, so got it running, drive it.
Now, you said you recently got it painted.
I did
And
indeed.
you're afraid to take it out. Now, what was it before? What color?
It was still GP white. That's the original color, but it was much more rough. This fender on this side was a bad respray in the 80s, so it was ugly. So I deleted the sunroof because I'm so tall. I got an extra 3 inches of headroom. And when I did that, I needed to paint the roof, and then I needed to paint the fender, and then I had a new deck lid. So I was like, I might as well paint the whole car at this point.
So when you painted it, how often have you taken it out since it's been painted?
So it just got done a month ago, and then I went on a 10-day vacation. So I've had 3 or 4 chances to really get it out and drive it.
Cool.
But I guess I'm not that afraid to get it out. It's just, when you get a brand new paint job, you're kind of like,
Yeah. Who's going to do what? Well, that's the story from Headlights
Yep.
to Tailpipes. I'm Melanie.